Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me / makeup tutorial of winter makeup. Some of the stuff that I'm using is somewhat new to me, so I'm going to be kind of just playing around, talking to you guys while I get ready, and that's about it. If you are new here, I make new videos every single week on affordable beauty and fashion, so please consider subscribing for more videos in the future, and let's go ahead and get started. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long, and as you can tell, I'm kind of congested, so yeah. I'm going to be talking about where I've been as well over the last, month I haven't been posting. First off, we're going to start with the L'Oreal True Match Illumi Glotion. If you've never tried this product, where have you been? It is seriously impeccable even if you have oily skin. I have oily to combination skin and I love this stuff. It just gives your skin such a beautiful glow. I use it all year round just to get a nice glow under my makeup. The next product I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. So I haven't used this very much, but I wanted to try it out because this is my holy grail. This is the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. This is my ride or die favorite product for the last 3 or 4 years. 3 years maybe. It is impeccable if you haven't tried it. But I love kind of like a BB cream tinted moisturizer type of thing for every day. This is in the shade 120. Like I said, I have used this product a few times. I haven't used it a ton, but I figured I would try it out today, see how I like it, and we'll kind of play around. I feel like I haven't explored with makeup very much lately. In the last probably year or two, honestly. I just kind of keep to the same stuff, and I kind of want to get back to that, and do more beauty reviews, that kind of thing on my channel again. Kind of reignite the spark for makeup and beauty stuff. I still have the spark for beauty stuff, but makeup in general. I used to literally just go to Walgreens all the time and pick up new stuff, and I want to kind of get back to that. So I'm going in with a sponge now after applying it with my fingers. That's how I applied the Clean Matte BB cream as well. It's just an easy way to first apply it. I feel like a lot of these kind of tinted moisturizers, BB creams, stuff like that, apply better with your fingers, and then when you blend it out with a sponge, it kind of goes away. So as you can tell, it's light coverage. It doesn't cover a ton of pigmentation, blemishes, that kind of thing. But I am going to go in with just a little bit more and see how I like it. Okay, so the last month I haven't been posting. And I just kind of wanted to get you guys up to speed as to why. December 10th, we ended up unexpectedly having to go back to Michigan for personal reasons. And we had to stay there until after Christmas. We actually went back here to South Carolina on New Year's Eve. So we spent literally a full 3 weeks in Michigan, which was very unexpected. So that was part of the reason I didn't post anything. I didn't have anything pre-filmed, and to be honest, I didn't work at all during that time. There was just a lot going on. And for concealer, I'm going to use this new one by CoverGirl, or newer one. I've had this for a little while, but only used it a few times as well. This is their Extreme Wear Concealer. It's supposed to be full coverage 24 hours, and I have Creamy Natural is the shade. This is what it looks like. Comes in a little squeezy tube. We got back here. Was here for a few days, and then I started getting sick. And there were 3 days where I didn't move from bed pretty much. Luckily it was a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But that also threw me off a lot, obviously. And it sucked because after spending so much time away, all I wanted to do was get stuff done. I did get all the Christmas stuff put away before I really started getting sick, so that was nice. But I didn't get to, get back to work very quickly. So basically I didn't post for that next week because, you know, I was sick and literally didn't want to do anything, and I still sound congested. And I'm a little bit, you know, congested still, but not nearly as bad as I was. That's kind of what's been going on. I haven't left the house in like a week and a half, and yeah, just trying to get better. So I know a lot of people are sick right now. I'm gonna go in with two of my absolute favorite products ever from e.l.f. These are the Putty Blush and Bronzer. The bronzer I have in the lightest shade called Tan Lines. I actually just placed an Ulta order and got a little bit of a darker shade of this because sometimes I feel like when I'm self-tanned, I do want something a little bit darker. Right now, it doesn't look like it, but yeah, sometimes I do want something just a little bit more. But I did place an Ulta order as well for the whole reason I placed the Ulta order actually is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream Powder Foundation. I am so excited. I have been liking dabbling again with powder foundations. I feel like they're just really easy to apply, and I'm just so excited. I like the Camo CC Cream a lot. I really hope they come out with a hydrating version as well, because, you know, they have the Camo CC Cream or Camo Concealer. The hydrating version is my favorite. I just really want them to come out with one for the CC cream. I'm sure they will eventually. And then since I do have these lash extensions on, these are ones that you can put on yourself. I made a whole video about it. I get lashes from Amazon and then get the Flutter Habit lash glue. You could just get their lashes as well, which I do want to try sometime, but this is a little bit more cost effective. So that's why I kind of go with this. So okay, so I'm just going over the lid a little bit with some of this bronzer as like a faux eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to stick with that same brush to go in with the Putty Blush. This one's in the shade, I think it's, yeah, Turks and Caicos. Okay, so I kind of want to go a little bit heavier on the blush today. Just feeling a very, like, I don't know, sun-kissed look. I'm going to take it in towards the nose as well. I feel like it just makes it look a little bit more natural, especially because, like, if you were to get sunburnt, you're not going to just get it on your cheek, you know? So, I just like that kind of look. Or if you're, like, windburnt or something, you know? Like, that's a little more winter, I guess. I am very excited as well because I'm going on a trip to the Bahamas with one of my best friends from college. She invited me 2 years ago on a very similar trip, but we went on a cruise because she gets like a perk for her company basically, and she needs like a date. So I am her date, and I am so excited. We're gonna have such a good time. It was a blast last time. Okay, I'm gonna take my sponge and one of my favorite powders. This is from No. 7. This is their Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in light medium. So this powder is, oh, it's so, so good. It makes your skin just so nice and smooth. And I'm just going to press this into the skin underneath the eyes. I literally just go like this. I could use my Miracle Powder Sponge from Real Techniques, but to be honest, I don't know where it is. So this is what we're using today. I'm also going to go on top of the lid with this. See how just like smooth my skin looks right here? I just love it. Okay, then the rest of the face, I'm very lightly going to put some powder on it. Just very lightly because we want to keep some of that glow. But also, since I am combination oily, I need to set the face a little bit. Okay, so this is my new favorite brow product. I don't think it's new, but this is the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I've probably used it before, but this is in the shade medium brown. So it has kind of like a triangle type applicator here. It's like a little bit thicker and then thin. I did just dye my eyebrows yesterday, so I don't need to do too much with them. I do have a full video about how I dye my eyebrows. If you've never done it, it's so life-changing when you have your makeup off. I don't think I'll ever stop doing it, to be honest. It's amazing. Oh, I forgot to even say, I am going on that trip in February as well, so it's not even that far away. How was your guys' Christmas? We had a good Christmas. It wasn't the same, honestly. Well, okay, so last year, everything was crazy sickness wise, the thing. And so we didn't like see a bunch of people, it was just my immediate family. And then this year we were planning to see the extended family that we always see, and then someone got it. So then we only saw like a couple of extended family. So that sucked. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great Christmas. Yeah, we are also just like so happy to be home now. I'm gonna use this warm up bronzer from Undone Beauty. It's actually like a highlighter bronzer palette. This is their 4-in-1 Radiance palette. So I like to use these shades down here as highlight. So I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild brush and go along the cheekbone. But yeah, I'm so happy to be home now and be in a routine again. Just like goes to show that your, I don't know, kind of like environment, your home environment is so important to be home. And also, while I was like gone, we celebrated 1 year of being homeowners. Like, where the heck did the time go? I cannot believe it. And honestly, this year has been one of the best years ever having the house. Like, it's crazy. Like I said, your environment that you're in can change so much. I love it so much more than being in an apartment. It's insane. Okay, I'm taking this little tiny Morphe brush and going on the inner corner of the eye. I love to do this just to brighten up the eye. One of the last things I'm going to do is mascara. This is the Essence False Lash Effect Mascara, the Lash Princess, the green tube. And I'm just going to put this on the lower lashes, obviously not on the top ones. Now I gotta sharpen this lip liner. This is the LA Girl lip liner in Flesh. So I love these lip liners. It's like such a pretty nude. And I'm just gonna go. I'm basically gonna go on the outside and then color in the lips. Okay, to finish it off, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. Just like a nice, kind of glowy, nude, pretty look. I love how it turned out, and it was nice trying a few different products. Like I said, I've used some of these like a few times or whatever, like the newer ones that I was talking about. Like I said, the Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer didn't blow me away. It's not like bad or anything, but it wasn't, the best thing. I do really love this concealer. I wish it was in like a doe foot applicator, but I can overlook that. That's okay. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so that you make sure you don't miss out any other videos that I make. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.